Hey, Ryan Phillips here. Welcome to this demo video where I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create an interactive video with our new Interactr Evolution software that can double conversion, triple engagement, and get up to a 14 times higher click-through rate on your calls to action. When you get inside of the Interactr Evolution software, you'll see the project library. Of course, you're not going to have as many interactive video projects as I do. So we're just going to click on Create New Project. Now, if you picked up the Pro version, you'll have these different templates. For now, we're going to click on Create a Blank Project, and we're going to give this project a name. We're going to click on Create, and it takes us to the project canvas. This is where we can upload our new video clips to the media library, so we can then create an interactive video. Now, for the sake of time, I'm going to open up a project that I made earlier because it already has the video clips inside the media library. This video is actually for a local business, for a coffee shop. First, I'm going to drag these video clips onto the canvas. You can start to see how the canvas is the 30,000 foot view of the interactive project. But, nothing's interactive just yet. So how do we do that? Well, we double click on a video clip to take us into the timeline editor. We have our elements on the left, our interactive elements on the left, and our preview on the right. Now, we're going to go over these interactive elements in a second, but first I want to draw your attention to our animated interaction layer builder. We're now the very first interactive video platform in the world to allow you to customize your interaction layers inside of the app. We can create a blank interaction layer, start from scratch, or we can use one of our preset templates. Now, with our preset templates, these are beautifully animated and fully customizable, so you can change them to your specific project. Okay, let's have a look at the other two templates right here. I'm going to select this center one, man or woman. So you can see they look very professional. We can delete or change the images, the text, the colors, all of that stuff. And the third template is the top menu. Of course, you can completely create a customizable one from scratch any way that you want. Now, I'm going to use this coffee shop template for this example, okay? Now, what can I do? Well, the first thing, before I show you how to customize this, we need to make it interactive. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the interactive elements. Now, in the settings, on click, I want this to play a node, and I want that to be the Americano one, okay? Same if they click the text. We want to make sure it plays the Americano video. Now, if we go back to the canvas, we'll see that it's created that interactive element. Okay, so we have our first branch. Let's do this real quick for cappuccino, latte, espresso, and then we'll have our interactive project. I can show you how to customize this. So for cappuccino, we're going to do the same thing. On click, we don't want it to open a pop-up, skip to a time in the video, open a URL. We just want it to play the cappuccino video. Nice and simple, nice and easy. Exactly the same for latte. We want it to play a node. That is the latte video. And last but not least, for espresso, we want it to do exactly the same thing. So now our video, if we go back to the canvas, is 100% interactive, okay, as you can see. So let me show you how to customize this. We'll go back into our interaction layer. So let's say that we was not making this video for a coffee shop. It was for, a different business. We can delete these images that are on here, and we can just add new ones. Okay, nice and simple, nice and easy. We could also change the text. Maybe this wants to say option 1. and the headline would say, you know, my question goes here. Okay, dead simple, dead easy. You know, we can move these around, change it however we want. If we preview this animation, again, you know, we can see it changes in real time. Very powerful, and it's the very first time ever in the history of interactive video software across the world that this is actually possible. Okay, now, as you saw, there were other types of interactive elements that we can add. Now, the other types of interactive elements are hotspots. Hotspots are basically invisible buttons. Okay, so let's, on this hotspot, let's go through the wizard. We're going to click on next. We don't want the video to pause when it's shown. And when the hotspot's clicked, maybe we want, you know, a pop-up to open. Okay, so then we can just drag our hotspot over the space and then select exactly where we want it to happen inside of the video. Okay, nice and simple, nice and easy. For a button, we just, again, drag this across. You know, we can skip the wizard, or, you know, we can just go through this. What's the button appearance? Let's create a new button from scratch. Okay, we can change the text. We can, you know, change the size. You know, decide what action we want to happen. Maybe when the button's clicked, we want it to, you know, open a URL or, you know, play a different video or whatever. Okay, when it's done, we can position it on the canvas, position the time where we want the, you know, the button to come in, and we can customize this button. You know, we can change the position, we can change the color, the appearance. You know, we can make it lighter or darker. Now, whatever we want to do, you know, we can do it over here. Okay, the next interactive element is text. You know, pretty simple and self-explanatory. I'm going to skip the wizard on this one. Okay, we can just edit the text. You know, nice and simple. Dynamic text means we can change people's name or information inside of here. So if we was going for, you know, a local client, and the local client was called Plain Sight Coffee. You know, we could say, hey, then put dynamic text that would say Plain Sight Coffee in there. We can add custom HTML, we can add images, again, just like buttons, or we can add pop-ups. Now, a pop-up is a, you know, a full pop-up over the screen. So if I choose a template, maybe I want an email pop-up that would come up like so. And again, we can move any of these elements around and customize this if we want to. Okay, so that's all the interactive elements over here. Now, for the sake of this demo video, I'm just going to delete these right here. And I just want to stress, we are the only interactive video platform in the whole world that lets you actually customize these interaction layers. Okay, no other platform on the planet allows you to do this. Okay, very powerful. Okay, when we've done, we'll save and publish the changes. We can head back over to our canvas, and this is where we're ready to actually share our interactive video so we can start getting leads and sales or more engagement on our training and content videos. Okay, we can go over to publishing so we can actually publish this. Now, if we change the video, even though this, let's say this interactive video is on a website somewhere on the internet, but we make changes inside of our app, all we have to do is republish this by clicking on, you know, republish on down here, save changes, publish changes at the top, and it will automatically update wherever this video is on the internet. Okay, we can share this video with other people. We have a unique share link if you want to share this with, let's say, local clients, or if you want to share it with, you know, anyone really. Okay, I'm just going to hit play so we can see what this looks like. I purposefully took the music out so it wasn't too distracting on this demo video. But as you can see, here is the coffee video, and the interaction layer is going to come on that we customized inside of the interactive video app. Let's have a look exactly what it looks like. Here we go, seamless. Headlines change, we've got the different text here, and if we click on cappuccino,
you want a cappuccino,
it goes to the cappuccino video.
Tell us where to send your special discount coupon.
Okay, incredible. We've got our analytics, we've got our different settings over here. Everything that we need to create high converting, high engaging interactive videos is available inside of this app. Now, the last thing that I want to show you in this demo video is, let's say that we, let's delete these different interactive layers. Let's say we don't have time to do this. What we could do is create chapters. That's what this is over here. We've dragged our videos over onto the timeline, onto the canvas. I'm going to head over to chapters. I'm just going to tick all of these so we can actually use these as a chapter. I'm going to publish the changes. Then over here on publishing, we'll see, when I preview this video, there's this little square box over here that I can pop up and shoot to any of my videos, straight away. Okay, so you can actually create interactive videos in less than 10 seconds just by dragging these over onto the canvas and heading over to chapters. Okay, so with that said, let's recap. Interactr Evolution is the only interactive video software in the world that actually allows you to customize animated interaction layers. You can build these from scratch, or you can use the templates that we provide you, and you can just customize these templates. Okay, also, the other new features that we have is a brand new PDQ player, the Pretty Damn Quick player. It's a lot lighter and a lot faster than all of our previous versions for lightning fast playback speed. Check out the rest of the information on this page, click the button and join us inside of Interactr Evolution. Interactive video trumps normal video in every sense, for higher conversions, higher click rates, and higher viewer satisfaction. Whether you're creating sales videos, whether you're creating content videos, interactive video does the job better. This is Ryan Phillips signing out, and I'll see you on the next video.